Dubai is a hub for the arts. Ballet, opera, concerts, recitals, art exhibitions both large and small. Alserkal Avenue is devoted to art galleries and workshops, exhibiting modern art by local and international artists in a number of different venues. The Alserkal Art Week started 22nd of March. An outdoor area often has live events and there are cafes and food stalls. A good place to visit, to browse the exhibitions and enjoy the gentle buzz of activity within the middle of the city of Dubai. Don't miss out. Take a look. There's good parking nearby.